Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, The Pinay Couponer, and thank you so much for tuning in. And in today's video, I'm going to show you my Walgreens couponing haul for the week of May 16 to May 22nd. And today guys, I am so excited to grab the Cascade deal because we seldom get that deal guys, so I will take advantage of that. And I will also show you how to roll your register rewards guys to lower our out-of-pocket when we are doing the spend deal. And today I will just be using the spend $25 and get $5 Walgreens cash. So please stay tuned guys. I will walk you through the deals, show you my receipts and the final cost of each item. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Vanessa. I do my couponing in CVS and Walgreens, and I post my video haul at least twice a week, and I am only using digital and printable coupons. So I hope you subscribe to my channel guys. I will appreciate your support. I am already outside Walgreens guys, so let's go grab those deals. So the first deal that I'm going to do guys is for the Colgate. Colgate is buy 2 get $5 register rewards, and it is on sale for $3.99. So I'm going to grab 2. Price of the 2 is $7.98, and I have a $3 of 2 digital coupon that will bring my cost to $4.98, but I'll get back $5 register rewards, making my final cost free plus a 2-cent money maker. And I'm going to do this on my first transaction guys, because the $5 register rewards, I will use it in my second transaction to lower my out-of-pocket, because I'm doing the spend deal on my second transaction. So for my second transaction guys, I will take advantage of using my spend digital booster, which is to spend $25 and get $5 Walgreens cash. So for my first deal, I'm going to grab the crust here. This is on sale for $2.99, and when you buy 3, you get $5 register rewards. So I'm going to grab 3. Price of the 3 is $8.97, and I have a $5 of 3 digital coupon, bringing my total to $3.97. But I'll get back $5 register rewards, making my cost free plus a $1.03 money maker. And so here's the Cascade deal guys. This is on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 3, you get $5 Walgreens cash. And the Dawn is included, Febreze, and also the Swiffer. But I'm going to grab this Cascade here. And since I don't have coupon for this guys, I can use my register rewards that I got from last week. So I'm going to use the $7 register reward here. And since I am going to grab 2 guys, so I can use my $5 register rewards that I will get from buying the Colgate. So I'm going to use that. So included in the Cascade deal guys is this stone. This is also on sale for $4.99, and I have a $1 digital coupon for this. Okay guys, so there's a slight changes guys. I mentioned earlier that I will just do the Colgate for my first transaction, but I'm going to add this cut tissue here. This is $5, and I have a $1 digital coupon for this, and there is also a store discount which is $1.25, making this only $2.75. And I just noticed guys that the $5 that I got from last week is a store coupon, so I cannot use this one in my spend deal because it will lower my spending amount guys. So I'm not going to use this. So I will just use this one for my first transaction, since I don't have store coupon attaching to the Colgate, so I can be able to use this one to lower my out-of-pocket. And I'm going to use Walgreens cash to pay for this. The next item that I'm going to grab guys is this brownie brittle here. This is on sale for $2 for $4, and I have no coupons for these guys, but there is an Ibotta rebate which is $1 each, and I can get back $2, and I will also submit this to Fetch, and I will get back 50 cents for buying 2. So final cost for this is only $1.50 or 75 cents each. So here's the $5 register rewards that I got from Colgate, guys. So I'm going to use this one in my second transaction. Hi guys, so we're done at Walgreens and my first transaction was fine, guys. Everything went fine. My coupons came off and my store coupon also applied. But my second transaction, guys, my digital coupon for Crest did not come off. That's the disadvantage also, guys, of using register rewards to roll, because it will just attach to anything. I have no coupons for Cascade. They are 2 and I only have 2 register rewards. It should attach to each of the Cascade. And I also have the brownie burrito, which has no coupons, so it should attach to the brownie burrito, but it did not. But instead, one of my register rewards attached to the Crest, so my Crest digital coupon did not come off. Whew. But it's okay, guys. I called the customer service while I was still outside the store, and she credited me $5 for the Crest because I have $5 of 3 digital coupon. So she credited me $5 Walgreens cash. So it's still okay. So we are now walking home. My little one is still napping, guys. So nice. And we were not able to go to the park because when we went outside, she already fell asleep. And until now, she is still napping, guys. See? Oh, she woke up. Alright, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel, guys. And also hit the notification so you won't miss any of my videos. I'll get back to you later to show you the receipts and the final cost of each item. Hi guys, so these are all the items that I got today in Walgreens. Only small haul, guys. As much as possible, we do small haul in Walgreens since Walgreens is sometimes tricky. So let's start with my first transaction, guys. As I have shown you in the video earlier, that I got the Colgate and the Scott tissue paper in one transaction. So here's my receipt. So here's my Colgate, guys. 2 at $3.99 each, so total $7.98. Then the Scott tissue paper, $5, and the store IVC coupon applied, $1.25 here. Then I rolled my $5 store coupon, guys. It's a register rewards, but it's a store coupon. I already explained it earlier that I cannot use this one in my spend deal because this will lower my spending amount. So I improvised my transaction, so I added this in my first transaction. Then my Colgate digital coupon, $3 came off, and my Scott digital coupon came off here. And my subtotal was $2.73 plus tax. Total was $3.33. Then I redeemed Walgreens cash rewards here, $3, so I only paid 33 cents. Then I earned the $5 register rewards for buying Colgate. It's a manufacturer coupon, guys, so that's why I was able to use it in my second transaction. So here's the receipt for my second transaction. Here's the brownie burrito, 2 for $4. Then the Crest, 3 at $2.99. So the total is $8.97. Then the 2 Cascade, $9.98. And the 1 Dawn, big bottle, guys, 40 ounce, $4.99. Then my digital coupon for Dawn, $1 came off. Then the $7 and the $5 were my register rewards that I rolled. The $7 I got from buying Revlon last week, and the $5 was from the Colgate in my first transaction. And my $5 digital coupon for Crest didn't apply. One of my register rewards, guys, attached to the Crest, so that's why my digital coupon did not come off. And my subtotal was $14.94. I did not redeem any Walgreens cash for this because it's a spend deal, and my total coupons were not enough, like $12 and $13, so I still need to spend $12, so I have to pay in cash. Then I earned $10 Walgreens cash for this transaction, guys. $5 from buying the Dawn and the Cascade, and $5 for my digital spend booster, which is to spend $25 and get $5 Walgreens cash. And here's my register rewards for buying the crest. And I also got this paper booster, guys. I will use this next week, I think. And I also got a $1 paper coupon for dial. So let's get to the total numbers, guys. The total amount of all of these products is $40.92. Total coupons used was only $6.25. And so total after coupons is $34.67. And I earned a total of $25 rewards. $5 register rewards for buying Colgate. $5 Walgreens cash for buying the Cascade and the Dawn. $5 Walgreens cash for my digital spend booster. $5 register rewards for buying Crest. And then the $5 Walgreens cash that the customer service credited for me for the Crest digital coupon that didn't come off. And then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $2 for buying brownie brittle. And also I submitted my receipt to Fetch and I got back 50 cents for buying brownie brittle and $1 for buying Scott tissue. So making my final cost $6.17 for 11 items or 56 cents each. Not bad, guys. It's already a good deal because the Cascade dishwashing packs here, we really use this one. And also the Dawn. The Dawn and this one, we love this. It's so yummy, guys. So grab this one, guys. It's really yummy. And that's it all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up. And also, please consider to subscribe if you want to learn more about couponing and follow my journey of savings. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.